All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2018 HAAS ST-10Y, serial number 3111987. It's equipped with the HAAS Next Gen control. You have a chip conveyor. It's a 12-position turret. It is a Y-axis machine with a full C-axis as well. Right now you have a collet chuck mounted on the spindle. The machine also comes with another regular chuck. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. I'm going to go over here to the turret. We'll index. The machine is equipped with live tooling as well. You can see the tool holder is mounted to the machine now. There's also a bunch more. We'll run the live tool. That's 1,000 RPM on the live tool. That's 2,000 on the live tool. That's 3,000 RPM on the live tool. Jog the axes back and forth. That's your Z axis. Your X. Then you have your Y. All right, now we'll go back to the main spindle for the C axis. It's a full C axis. And then I'll also show you your touch setter. You have your touch setter. Both sides work. Bring it back up. And that basically does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.